In this video, I am going to teach you how to leave or delete a league in NFL fantasy football. Whether you're cleaning up old leagues or stepping away from the season, this quick tutorial will walk you through it. Make sure you're the league manager, because only the commissioner can delete a league. Let's get started. First, click Sign In at the top right corner of the NFL Fantasy homepage. This brings you to the login screen for your account. Then enter your email and password and click Continue. Make sure you're logging into the correct NFL account tied to the league. Next, go to the Manage section from your fantasy dashboard. This is where all your league tools and settings are located. Then scroll down and find the option Delete League. It's usually at the bottom of the page if you're the league commissioner. After that, mark Yes when asked if you're sure about deleting the league. This confirms your intention to permanently remove it. Finally, click Submit to complete the process. The league will be deleted and members will no longer have access to it. And that's how to leave or delete a league in NFL Fantasy Football. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and useful guides. See you next time!